Hey, what's up? DaveWeLike here. Now, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you today about the Osmo Pocket, which I am shooting on. So you can actually see I'm shooting in 4K at 30 frames a second. And this is about the same position and angle, I suppose, that I was shooting the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket. Now, I shot that video on my Samsung Galaxy S8, and as I can already tell, this is face tracking, so this is pretty cool. But the frame is a lot closer than the Samsung Galaxy S8 was, I would have to say. Again, face tracking's on, so I'm not in control of exactly where the camera is looking, but it's following my face. Hi, how you doing? You want to follow me over here? Oh yeah. How far can you go? Well, I don't know. It's still following me. Hi. Anyway, let's run. Get it. You can do it. I'm running really fast. Clearly. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool, huh? All right. So the other thing that I want to emphasize is, how does the video quality look? This is a really low light situation right now. I'll show you. One of the microphones was being covered as this camera was sitting on my table. So I'm holding this up in the air. So both microphones should be open right now, so you should be able to hear the audio. It might sound a little echoey. I expect that typically in this particular apartment, because it always is echoey. Let me just move around a little bit so you can get a sense of the different lighting situations. Now, the only lights are on over here. I've got some LED lights, Christmas lights, of course, and I'm being also front lit by these Christmas tree lights. These aren't LEDs, and one LED light here. So, I mean, generally speaking, this is a pretty dark apartment, and I do have problems shooting in this apartment because the camera always has autofocusing issues, the Samsung Galaxy S8. And it's also doing what do you call that? Motion stabilization and all that jazz. So this is a gimbal. So it's tracking my face as well as, wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Man, that's smooth, huh? So hopefully it's in focus. I mean, I can see that it's tracking my face for sure, but I'm not 100% sure if it's in focus because the screen is very tiny. But that's to be expected. I mean, you just hope. And this is me really extending and reaching as far as I possibly can. I'd say, a lot of people might be this close. This is a little personal. Hi, how are you doing? I mean, I'm about this far away. About this far away right now. Yeah, hand distance from my chest. This is about an arm's length from my chest right now. That's as far as I am. So you can see that there's clearly a big difference. And it's not that wide of an angle, but I can already notice that my camera battery is getting a little low. This is from the charge out of the box. I haven't charged the camera itself yet, but hopefully, again, you can see these LED lights are beautiful, aren't they? Gotta love it. Came from Costco. Anyway, that is it for an indoor test in a very low light situation. I mean, I could turn off, I'm really only being lit by this LED over here. Look at that difference. How does that look? That's a pretty big difference, actually. But it seems like it's still able to track me in this low light, which is cool. How does that look? You like it? I know it's sexy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Like a pony. Like a pony. I don't know. Usually when I do this and jumping around, it really would mess up. It'd be completely out of focus. But it looks like it's tracking. Man, this is great. I think it might be great. I have to watch it for myself again. So let me do one more thing and show you. So when I was filming the video on the table, you can see I'm only being lit from the window, which is actually closed right now. So I'm not getting a harsh light or anything like that. Also, the window behind me is closed too. So this was closed in the start of this video as well as my unboxing of the video. So it looks pretty nice when I go into the light. Hi, everybody. I could definitely tell that there's a lot of color coming on through. Shooting. Wow. So you can see that. It's amazing. That was really fast. Let's go back over here. Wow. Wow. Well, of course, I'm super backlit. It has no light on me whatsoever because it's focusing on the back. If I go slower, though, what does it switch? About now, it's tracking my face. I see the little frames pop up, and there you go. Wow. Whoa. Again, I'm blown away. Floored. Absolutely floored by this camera. The way that I'm holding it is kind of interesting. It might be interesting. It's not that interesting. I'm holding it like this. So I haven't moved that. There's a microphone on the front, microphone at the bottom somewhere here. So hopefully the audio sounds okay. Usually in this room, because I have a mattress and all that jazz, the audio sounds a little bit better, more rich, because, it's just taking up and dampening the audio, right? I think that's the phrase. So it's reducing the echo. Over here, I definitely hear the echo, especially as I get close to this, the heater. I hear a lot of echo. This is the voice of God. I'm probably talking to the people downstairs right now. Anyway, this is exciting. I can't wait to see how the footage looks. You want to go inside my fridge? I got no food. It's fine. It's a lot of empty jars. That's what it looks like inside of the fridge. Got an LED light. Hi, how are you doing? So nice to see you. Let's eat some food today. Again, just showing you different light. Would you like to see it over here in the cabinet? Goodbye, everybody. There you go. Wow, fascinating. Audio sounds great, doesn't it? It doesn't. It does. I don't know if it does. I don't know. You tell me. This is wonderful. Okay, anybody. Enough for this test. Now, in the future, I will be doing another test at night. Come this Sunday, I'm going to do a lot of Christmas lights. We're going to go to a particular place around town. It's going to be a lot of fun. So hopefully the camera will be fully charged up by then. And we'll see how that goes. I'll shoot it in 4K, 30 frames a second. It can shoot in 60 frames a second, but unless you're doing in, slow motion, I don't know. I don't really understand why you want to shoot in 60 frames a second. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of this particular video, the quality of it. Be very curious to hear what you think. This is with the latest firmware update so far. The product, the Osmo Pocket, just got released, and I did update it. I think it's around version 1.02 or something like that. So that's the firmware that I'm on. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Please subscribe for more. And that is a wrap.